Hello, myself Gyas, Aptitude trainer at SP Global Solution branch Hyderabad. Today I am just explaining the very important technique for the simple interest question. And this type of questions are generally asked in interviews and placement also. So what is the simple trick for this question? You see, the question is a sum at a sum at simple interest of 4% per annum amount to rupees 3,120 in 5 years. Find the sum. Here sum is what? Principal. So sum in means principal. So a principal at simple interest of 4% per annum. That 4% is given, that is R. Amount to rupees 312. This is given amount, that is A. And 5 years, that is given time. We have to find the sum, that means we have to find the principal. So for this type of question, there is just so many method to solve this question. Okay, so but we have a simple technique to solve this question. Simple technique is what? That is P, that is principal, equal to 100 multiply amount upon 100 plus R into time. This is the simple technique where amount is given, rate is given and time is given. Then we can find easily principal by this formula. So what is this technique? That is 100 into amount is given 3120 and this is 100 plus R is given 4 and T is 5. So 4 into 5. So this is 100 multiply 3120 upon 100 plus 20, that is 120. This 0 is cancelled out. 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. 6 1 are 6, 6 5 are 30, 6 2 are 12. If you multiply 5 into 520, 5 0, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25 and 126. Your answer is what? Rupees 2600. This is correct answer. So this is the important technique. Principal equal to 100 multiply amount upon 100 plus RT. But if you see, if we solve this question by a basic method, it take lot of time. So here, so you know what is the basic? Basic formula is principal plus interest. This equal to amount. Here principal is not known, so principal is P. Now interest is what? P into R into T by 100. This is the basic formula of interest, PRT by 100. And this equal to amount. Amount is already given 3120. So P is P and here P, R is given. R is given 4 and T is given here 5 and upon 100. This is 3120. Now cancel this. 4 2 ja 8 and 2 5 and this is 4 1 ja 4 and this is 5 2 ja 10. Okay, and this is 4 5 ja 20. So you see again, if this is 5 2 ja 10, that is 20 and 4 5 are 20. So what is this? P plus P upon 5. This equal to 3120. Now you know this is P by 1 and this is P by 5. So LCM is 5. So this is 5P plus P upon 5 and this equal to 3120. So 6P, what is 5P plus P is 6P. 6P plus 5 equal to 3120. So P equal to what? 3120 is here. And now 6 by 5 comes equal side, other side, right side. So when 6 by 5 go to the right side, it become reciprocal. So multiplies what? 5 by 6. Now 6 1 are 6, 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12. So again 520 into 5. So 500, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 26. So this 2600 rupees is your answer. So this is the basic part. In basic, principal plus interest is amount. So principal plus, this is the formula of interest, PRT by 100, 3120. putting the value of r and t, we get this. So after cancellation, p plus p by 5, 3120. Take LCM 5, 5p plus p by 5, 6p by 5 this, so p equal to this. So you see, from the basic we have to do lot of work, and this is the technique. Only you have to remember 100 multiply amount upon divided by 100 plus rate into time. Your answer is correct, that is 2600. In the same way, we can solve any question when there is a simple interest rate is given and amount is given and time is given, then we can find easily principal. So you say the next question, second, find the sum which amounts to rupee 3080. Here amount is given what, 3080, and in 4 years time is given 4 years at simple interest of 13.5% r. R is given in mixed form. Lot of students do mistake when there is a mixed form. So R is here 13.5 mixed form percent per annum. Again you can solve by this technique because A known, T known and R is known. So only by technique P equal to 100 into amount. So this is 100 into 3080 upon 100 plus r into t. So r is given 13.5. 13.5 means 13 to the 26 plus 1, 27 by 2. So this is what, 27 by 2, and t is given 4. So this is 4. Now you know 27 by 2 multiply 4. So 2 to the 4. So you will get here 100 multiply 3080 upon 27 to the 54. So 100 plus 54 is what, 154. Now you can solve this. 2 7 ja 14, 2 7 ja 14 and 2 5 ja 10. Now you know 4 7 ja 28, carry 2. 4 7 ja 28 to 30. So 77 4s are 308. So this is 40. So 5 4s are 20. So your answer 5 4s are 20. Now 20. So your answer is what? 2000 rupees is correct answer. So with the help of this technique, and the same technique, we can use this formula and we can find easily answer in a second. What is the technique? 100A upon 100 plus RT. This is the important technique. If you will not apply this technique, you do go for basic, then take a lot of time. In this way, you can solve any type of question by the help of this technique. Thank you.